Hi guys, good morning. Let me do it this side. How are you all doing? Here again in my office. By now you guys should have known that as a woman, your main place to always be in the house is the kitchen, right? So yes, I call it my office because this is mostly where I work from. Mostly where I produce, all those delicacies for my family. So I'm back here again, and today, this morning rather, I'm here to make French toast for my kids and for myself as well. Yes, so my kids really love French toast, but we don't do it every morning. Okay, we don't eat French toast every day in my house, no. In as much as we love it a lot, like a whole lot, we don't eat it every single day. We don't even eat it every other day. So yes, for those of you who are complaining that I'm always in the kitchen making French toast, pancake, cooking, I'm sorry. Too bad for you. We are starting this vlog in the kitchen and with making French toast. Making of French toast. So please, you gotta bear with me, okay? As a mommy vlogger, as a mommy lifestyle vlogger that is always staying at home, I don't know what you expect me to do. Okay, so hold on, let me get my eggs. So you gotta manage me like that because it is what it is. So guys, join me, let's make this together. That is if you are interested, okay? They are awake, but they are currently in their room waiting for this to get done. They cannot wait to come and dive it. Like, they love it so much. I do too. I love French toasts. I also like to add a pinch of salt because I feel like that salt helps to bring out the deliciousness of the French toast. Who else thinks that way? By the way, the first thing I added was my eggs, milk, sugar, salt, and now I'm going to add my cinnamon powder because it gives it a lovely flavor, lovely aroma, and lovely taste. You got to add cinnamon powder to your French toast mixture. And that's all I add. I mix it all up, just like so. I hope you can see it here. So, you guys remember, I usually do it on the stove top, but ever since I realized that I could actually do it on this table and have my freedom, because if I'm making it on top of that stove, I will not be able to, maybe boil their milk, cook something else. But if I'm doing it here, I can be able to cook something else on the stove. So currently my kids have all fallen in love with coffee. I mean, eating the French toast with coffee. So I just make coffee, add powdered pig milk to it, add a little bit of sugar, not too much because I've already added sugar here, and I'm also going to be sprinkling some honey over their French toast. So I add a little bit of sugar in the coffee just to balance things up, and mix it up, share it to them, and they enjoy it. Like if they come here now and you ask them tea or coffee, they will all shout coffee. And I'm going to try to use these leftover brown breads. This is the bread sister came with. This bread right here. The first day I used it to make French toast. Hey guys, it was so good, so crunchy, so delicious. Hey, so this one is for me. Hubby will not be eating because he's doing night shift. He has already had his breakfast and currently he's sleeping. Hold on, let me get more bread. More bread right here. How are you guys doing? First of all, let me start boiling coffee. I hope your day is going as it should. Okay, while that is cooking or boiling, I'm going to start with this one. Let it heat up. Oh, my butter. I'm just making sure that you guys are seeing what I'm doing. Guys, this thing can contain 8 slices of bread. Like, how amazing is that? I don't regret one bit. I don't regret ever buying this thing. This thing has been so helpful since I bought it. I can make 8 slices of bread at once. But before, I used to stand there frying 3 in the pan. We actually woke up very late because we went to bed late. Since they are not going to school and I'm not going to work either. Why wake up early? Why? Tell me, why should I wake up early? If I wake up early now, when school starts, I will still be waking up early. Now. Eight pieces. Yes, that's right. That's right. Since I got this, I've been loving to make French toast. Is that English correct? Like, I now love it so much whenever I'm making the French toast. So I'll fry 8 pieces 2 times. Like this is the first batch. I'm going to do second batch 8 pieces again. And this one is done. I'm going to transfer into a bigger pot. Did I say pot, guys? Sorry, cup, not pot. I'll add it here and add water to it. I shouldn't have off the lights, like I'm confused. Oops. First batch done. That's the first 8 I made. As you can see, the liquid is gone, and here I have my 4 slices and extra 4 over here. So I usually do it once the mixture is finished, I stop. That's how I do it. And even if I make excess French toast, they eat it later on in the evening or at noon, depending on when they want to snack on it. But yeah, this one is going to be enough for us because it's just me and my kids. Sister is not around and hubby has had his breakfast. This bread has nuts in it, making it extremely crunchy once you use it to fry or to make French toast. I prefer it like this, like when I use it to make French toast, than eating it as it is. I tried eating it the other day as it is, but I don't like it. But I said, okay, let me try and use it to make French toast and see if it's gonna make any difference. And the guys, trust me, when I say something is good, believe it, that thing is good. It was extremely good. Go and get you this machine, be this grilling pan. If you don't have this thing in your kitchen, you are missing out. Especially if you have children or large family, you need this, okay? I'm just saying it so you will not say I'm stingy. I didn't share with you. Look at the name now, Dronic. Can you see it there? Sure, you've seen the name, right? You can go on Amazon and purchase yours. That is if you are interested, okay? I'll be leaving the link in the comment section. Like, I'm going to pin it in the comment section, so you go there, click on the link, and it will take you straight to Amazon. Then you can check it out. If it is something you can afford or something you are interested in buying, then go ahead and get it. This thing is so good. Like, it's not only for French toast though, but I usually, most of the time, I use it to make French toast, pancakes. Yes, those are the 2 things I usually and mostly make in this machine. But you can use it to grill meat, fry vegetables, and some other stuff, you know. So this thing is very important in your kitchen, so go and grab one, okay? They are not paying me to do this. I'm just speaking from experience. I love it and I'm sharing with you guys. So yeah. Okay guys, so that will be it for today's video. I just wanted to carry you guys along with me as I make breakfast, because carrying you guys along with me feels more like I'm making this breakfast with my friends, like we are in the same kitchen making it. So I thought I should carry you guys along, and I hope you guys enjoyed this breakfast making video. Yeah, so our breakfast is set and ready. I'm just going to call my kids over to come and eat. So as you guys saw earlier, this one is for Miss Blessing, and you can see that I didn't make the coffee for her. That's because she has already drink her tea, so there's no need, right? I gave her tea some minutes ago, and I know that she's not going to accept this coffee. The other day I made it, she didn't really like it, so I don't want to keep giving it to her if she doesn't like it. So she's going to come and eat this one and drink water. Yes, water is even the best. Anyways, enough of that explanation. I don't know if you guys really wanted to hear me explain all of that, but yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to click the like button, share this video as well. Until I come your way next time, stay blessed. Mwah. Bye guys.